So I'm just going to explain to you how to make a proportional symbol map. So what a proportional symbol map is it's a map that shows the different sizes of things as bars on there. It can be circles or squares, but we're going to do it as bars, a bit like a bar chart. In this case, it's going to be percentage of carbon emissions given off by different countries. So you need a pencil, a ruler, and your map, and as I say, we're going to use the pie chart information and put it onto a map so we can visualize the data. So the first country I need to find is China on the list, and this has 23% of the emissions given off. So I'm going to measure 2.3 centimeters or 23 millimeters, 1 millimeter per percentage from the word China. Make sure that's accurate, and then I'm going to make sure every single bar is the same width, so they all have to be 5 millimeters across so that we can make comparisons of them. I'm going to make sure the bar is nice and neat and do 23 millimeters up again and finish it off at the top and shade it in so it looks nice and neat. Now obviously you can shade it in a lot neater than I'm doing, maybe even use a highlighter or a pen. So that's China's done. Then next on the list, I'm going to see what we've got, and it's the USA. And the USA gives off 19% of the carbon emissions. So I'm going to measure a line above the USA. This time it's going to be 19 millimeters, 1.9 centimeters high to represent 19%. 5 millimeters across so that they're all nice and even. And finish it off so it looks nice and neat. 19 millimeters high, 5 millimeters across, half a centimeter across, and shade it in. You might want to use a highlighter or a different color to make it clear. But now we can see we've got two different bars on here of different sizes, so we can make easy comparisons across the country. Every map, of course, needs a title. In this case, it's going to be percentage of greenhouse gas emissions or contribution to climate change, and every map needs a key. And apologies for writing upside down, but my key is 1 millimeter equals 1% of carbon emissions. So it's simple as that. Make sure you do it in pencil in case you need to rub it out, but have a go yourself. Good luck.